Hi everyone, I'm Jerry Talandis Jr.
And I'm Theron Muller.
We both teach English at the University of Toyama.
At JALT 2022, we're going to be presenting about 2 online tools for facilitating student autonomy and self-evaluation as part of the pre-conference Technology in Teaching workshops.
In this workshop, we'll share how the free online tools Etherpad and Vocaroo can facilitate learner autonomy and self-evaluation. For example, we'll cover how students can assess their own speaking and create original sample dialogues to expand on topics covered in class.
We'll also share feedback from students who tried these tools. In their comments, the students said these tools increased engagement, giving them a sense of ownership and increased awareness of the learning process.
Our aim is to provide you with hands-on practical knowledge to apply these tools in your classrooms. We'll also discuss how you can adapt these tools to your teaching contexts and students.
If you can, please come ready to try these tools on your own devices.
We're looking forward to seeing you in person in Fukuoka.
See you there!